Pointer. I'm Celestina here with another data interpretation question today. So let us go. This data interpretation is also a previous CAT question. It is from CAT 2020 slot 2. The question is, a chain of departmental stores has outlets in Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru and Kolkata. The sales are categorized by its three departments: apparel, electronics and home decor. So these are the three departments. An accountant has been asked to prepare a summary of 2018-19 sales. He has collated partial information and prepared the following table. So the table looks something like this. We have sales amount in crores. There are four cities: Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Kolkata, and every city has of year 2018 and the 18-19. The departments are apparel, electronics, and home decor. We can see that apparel has many missing fields, and electronics does not have any missing field, and home decor has half missing fields. Okay, so we'll check into the conditions and see how much of the table we can fill. So the sales amount in apparel department were the same for Delhi and Calcutta in 2018. So that, let us assume it to be A. Then Delhi 2018 A and Calcutta 2018 A. So the second condition is the sales amount in apparel department was same for Mumbai and Bengaluru, and this amount is same for Delhi 2019. Okay, same apparel department. So that means that Mumbai 2018 and Bengaluru 2018, let us say it is B. Then Delhi 2019 is also B for apparel department. So it will look like this right now. Okay. Now, the sales amount in home decor department was same for Mumbai and Kolkata in 2018. Now we are dealing with home decor department. So here, Mumbai and Bengaluru. Let us say it is some C. Okay. Mumbai and Kolkata. Yeah. So next condition is the sum of sales of four electronic departments increased by the same sum of sales in apparel department from 2018 to 19. So this means that uh, this is the apparel department, this is the home decor department. So sum of all sales in 2018 in apparel and 2019, if we take those, sum of all sales in 2019 minus sum of sales in 2018 is the increase from 18 to 19. So what was said in this condition is that the sum of sales are increased by the same amount as the sum of sales in apparel. So this means that the difference between 2019 and 18 of apparel and home decor are equal, right? So let us see. For now we know this is the current information we have. We don't know these values, so let it be like that for right now. And in electronics we can see that it is 9 for 2018 it is something 330, and for 2019 it is 98 plus 102 plus 70 plus 100, which is equal to 370. 370. So the difference is 40 crores. Okay. So this means that the difference between apparel in 2019 and 2018 of all four cities is 40. This is an important data here. Now let us go ahead and see all the other conditions. The total sales amount of four home decor departments increased by 70 crores from 2018 to 19. So total sales of home decor. This means that summation of home decor in 2019 and 2018, the difference is 70. So here we know, we have assumed this to be C, but we still don't know the missing field over here, right? So let us check at the next condition. It is the sales amount in home decor departments of Delhi and Bengaluru each increased by 20 from 2018 to 19. This we are dealing with Delhi and Bengaluru in home decor, right? So in home decor, Delhi and Bengaluru, we know that it increased by 20. That means that this must be 60 and this must be 80, right? So the difference, as we know, the difference. So let us just keep this data aside. We'll first check into all the conditions. Then we know the sales amount in apparel department of Delhi and Bengaluru each increased by the same amount in 2019 from 18. The sales amount in apparel department of Mumbai Kolkata also increased by the same amount on 2019 to 18. This means that for Delhi and Bengaluru, the difference from of 2019 and 18. So here we can see it is B minus A, right? This means that here on Bengaluru, to get the same difference, we just have to add the difference for 2018 sales, right? So we'll get it as 2B minus A. And the same goes for Mumbai and Calcutta. So here the difference is 54 minus A, and if we add that over here, we'll get B plus 54 minus A. So this means that our table is full. We have the assumed values. We need to calculate the assumed values out. Okay. So let us check at the last condition. It says that the sales amount and apparel department of Delhi, Kolkata and Bengaluru in 2019 follow an arithmetic progression. So this means that Delhi, Kolkata and Bengaluru, right? B 54 and 2B minus A. These follow a arithmetic progression. As we know, if A, B, C are an arithmetic progression, A plus C upon 2 is equal to B. So solving that, we'll get 3B minus A is equal to 154 into twice 2, which is 108, right? So this is one condition since we did not get respective values. Okay, and let us remember the old data that we had. We had that the difference for electronic department is 40, and for apparel we did not have the whole data over there. We had some missing data over there, right? A lot of data was missing. So now we have all the assumed values. So this will be 50. This will be something near okay. So this will be something here 4B minus 2A plus 108. Okay. So now we know that the difference between apparel 2019 and apparel 2018 is 40. So we'll get another equation by substituting those two values. That will be B minus 2A is equal to minus 34. Okay, just solve it. So you can also write it as 2A minus B is equal to 34, right? So I'll assume this to be 2. So we know from 1 that 3B minus A is 108, right? Our other equation is 3B minus A is equal to 108, right? So if you solve these two, you will get the value of A as 42 and value of B as 50, right? So one important thing here is you should not make even the slightest error in calculation, because the slightest error might change many outcomes and you will get wrong answers. So be careful with calculations, and there is also always in many exams there is a calculator provided. It would be good if you learn how to use that screen calculator. It is a lot different from other calculators you use, so try to make an habit to use those screen calculators. Okay, so here now we got the value of A and B, so we can get these values also. So A is 42 and B is 50, so again 50. So 50 plus 54, 104 minus 42 would be 62. Again here we'll get 50. And 2B is 100 minus 42 would be 58. and again here it would be 42. Okay, done. So another data that we had was that home decor 2019 minus home decor 2018, the difference was 70, right? So this must mean that home decor 2019 would be 100, 72, 100 plus 72 plus 80 plus 54, right? This is the 2019 data minus to 80 plus C plus 60 plus again C is equal to 70. So from this we'll get the value of C. So let us just check 100, 180, 180 and 252, 252. This is 306 minus 140 minus 2C is equal to 70. Okay. So from this you will get the value of C is 48, right? Yeah. So now we know that C is 48. So the final table will look something like this. Yes, this is our final table. So we have used all the information given and we have filled all the missing spaces. Make sure that while attempting an exam or and solving this, do not waste time in unnecessary decorations while drawing a table or anything. Just make sure you understand it. It's important that you understand it. Okay. Now, so let us go. The first question is in home decor departments. Which cities were the sale amount highest in 2018 and 19? Now we are concerned with home decor, right? In home decor, 2018 highest is okay 48, 60, 48, 80. So the highest is Delhi for 2018. As for 2019, 100, 72, 80, 54. Okay, Delhi is also highest in 2019. So the answer would be Delhi and Delhi. So Delhi and Delhi is option D. Yes, the answer is D. Next question. What was the increase in sales amount in apparel department of Mumbai in from 18 to 19, right? For Mumbai in apparel. In 2019 it's 62 minus 50, it should be 12. Yes, we have 12 in an option. It is option A. Yes, the answer is A. Now, next question is among all the 12 departments, what was the maximum percentage increase in sales amount from 2018 to 19? Now, while solving such a questions, you don't have to like take out all the 12 department percentage increase, right? It will waste your time. So just try to observe. Okay, here you have 80 to 100. So this means that the increase is 25 percentage, right? You should be thorough with the percentages. How to know the increase in percentage just by looking? You should that just comes by practice. Okay, and this all of these do not beat. And now if you go further, okay, see 48 and 72, right? This is 48 into 3 by 2, right? 48 into 3 by 2 is 72, which is like 50% more. So that must mean that let us check at the options again. Yep, we have 50, and you can see that none of the data here surpasses its double. Like for 42, the double is 84 to get 100% increase, or if nearly 75, it should be between like 21, which is 63, and 84. So there is, you can just check like that. You don't have to write down every data's every each and single cell's percentage increase. Okay, so here we have 50. Yes, the answer is 50. Now in 2019, for the chain of departmental stores, so we need the sum of all 2019 seats, right? So 2019 for Delhi we'll get it 248. Similarly for Mumbai 236, for Bengaluru 208, and for Kolkata 208. So if you sum all these, you will get it as 900, right? So 900 is option B. So let us check the answer. Yes, the answer is option B. So we have solved a data interpretation question where we have missing data involved, right? We have filled all this missing data and we have answered the questions. Sometimes there will be some missing data which will remain, missed. You won't get that data, but still you can answer the questions. They are like very difficult to answer. And sometimes there will be situations where there will be a mix of logical reasonings in the conditions given. Like here the conditions were straightforward, but sometimes there will be conditions where we have to make connections and we have to like use some logical reasoning abilities over here. So we'll solve such a type of questions because once you get how should I say adapted to such a questions, it will be very easy for you to solve. And subscribe to our channel for more videos. The PDF of this question will be mentioned in the link below in our GitHub profile, and there will be more interesting videos coming soon. So keep